In this video, we'll show you how you can capture screenshots on a Lenovo laptop running Windows 10 or 11. So the easiest way to do this is look for the print screen icon on your keyboard. So once you see this button, simply press it once and you will see this kind of interface. So here you need to select the camera option, which is the Snipping Tool app. Now simply use your mouse to select the area that you want to capture and the screenshot will be taken. So this will appear in a window like this. Now there is also another way, so press the print screen button. Now here you can select the full screen option so that your Lenovo laptop captures the entire screen automatically if you don't want anything specific. There is also another shortcut which is Windows plus Shift plus S. So if you press it, the same snipping tool window will appear and you can then take the screenshot as usual. Once the screenshot is taken, you can save the file manually by clicking this save icon right here, or you can set up snipping tool to save all your screenshots automatically. So for that, open the snipping tool settings menu and here select this automatically save original screenshots option. You can also set a folder location from here.